Good morning, this is the Walk with Tehi, and currently we are in Edo State, Benin City. This is the city this is my city, and I want to use the opportunity again to thank everyone, my subscribers, my followers, people that have been getting inspired in following us. I want this video to say this is still Walk with Tehi, and this morning we are in Benin City and we are starting here at the Sapele Roads. Go with me while we show you where we are walking to. Let's go! You're not saying that you're not doing more than you're not avoiding your body. You know what to do? Eat your feet. You work out. You understand? I'm not gonna lie to you. I'm fucking enjoying this beautiful city of Edo State. You know, still like to you. I'm still at the airport road, you know. There's one beautiful thing I love about this place, which is the green area. I'm not gonna lie to you. I enjoy walking out to Benin. You know, the whole place is super clean, neat. There's green. My mental head has just been on ground since my head has just been on ground. I'm not gonna lie to you. I enjoy my super walking out here. You know, I enjoy it. It's superb. It's enjoyable, and it's crazily and mad fun. I enjoyed it. This is Hotel. This is one of the Marriott selection hotels. This is Protea Hotel Marriott. This is one of the most sought about hotels in the whole city. This hotel have been serving Edo State, series of people. They have been serving the dignitaries, serving the VIPs, and there's no complaint. So I'm going to be shooting with a lot of people, again, asking the question, what do you think is the benefit of working out? So stay with me. My name is Ehi. We have a YouTube channel where we talk about the benefits of working out. So I want to know, what do you think is the benefit of working out?
This is the benefit of working out. Exercise for your body.
Okay.
The meeting of everything you can come out for your body that they are better for those of you that are not doing it.
Yes, in essence, again, I tell you now that working out is medicinal to our body, medicinal to our feet and all. So, which city are we today?
City.
Yes, this state that we are today.
Me, I'm from Nasarawa State.
Okay.
Now they are there for Benin State.
That is beautiful. We're in Edo State, Benin City. One thing is just to tell you that we have a lot of people where we talking about the benefit of working out. So, I do want to give people encouragement for them to keep working out every morning.
But me, they are working in the place.
Yes.
But you don't get chance for every blessing. They are having a chance Saturday, Sunday.
Okay. So that means people that are working from Monday to Saturday to Sunday, they should try as much as possible to at least one day, like on Saturday, for them to work out, put on their gear and for them to walk around the street, so that the sweat will come up for their body.
Of course.
Many people may not they stay house again, maybe they go out because if you go out, you sweat, you can't get healthy. Shall I say you talk now?
Really?
Now so my brother. Thank you again, once again. What is your name, sir?
My name is Udu Balase.
Barasi. What is me to say? Thank you for talking to work with us. Thank you very much. My name is Ehi. We have a YouTube channel. We have a YouTube channel where we encourage people on the benefit of workout, why they should work out. Okay. So I want to know, which city are we today?
We're in Benin City.
Why Benin City? Edo State. Okay. So what do you think is the benefit of working out?
It makes you to be fit, healthy and agile at every given point in time.
Okay.
Yeah.
All right. So what is encouraging you how to give to the elderly and the young people?
I want to encourage them wherever they find themselves, they should try and do work hard, every morning as much as possible, especially most time.
This is man. We have a channel, YouTube channel. We can work with where we encourage people on how to work out on a daily basis and see the inside. We don't just say it, we do it. So in this channel, we have our brother here. What is the name, brother?
I'm MC Amakus.
I will have MC Amakus here. So MC Amakus, which city are we today?
This is Benin City. Of course, you don't see.
You can see this is Benin City, Antonio complex in Edo State.
Antonio
Complex. This is
Yeah.
where they make the legislation.
Yes,
So,
this is
brother,
House of Assembly.
yes, bro, I want to ask you a question.
All right.
What do you think is the benefit of working out?
Oh, the benefits.
Yes.
The number one key point is at least it's not necessarily you work out every day because in your daily activities, working out is very, very important. Working out is very, very important. It's the most important thing you need to do because without working out, you already know what you get.
You might feel lazy, your day will get boring and all.
Exactly.
So, okay, sir, I want to know, thank you for that insight. My brother said, I said that if you don't work out, your day become boring. That's a very good insight. I've never heard this before. I love that. If you don't want your day to get boring, do what? You work out. So, sir, for the people in Edo State, what do you have to tell them?
Okay, you're in Edo State and you're seeing this right now. Even if you're not seeing this, you should know that working out is very, very necessary. It's a necessity, something you must do. Try and work out. And this is work with what? Work with Ehi.
Thank you for that.
Thank you, and always support this channel.
We have a YouTube channel that is called the Work with Ehi. So I want to ask this morning, which city are we this morning?
Benin City.
This is Benin City, here is Benin City. So what do you think? What is your name first?
Okay, I'm Aisosa.
Asusa.
Yeah.
As we have Asusa here with us this morning. So what do you think is the benefit of workout?
Okay, general well-being, better metabolism, you look good as a byproduct, mental strength, stamina.
Security. So do you know that most of the people we have talked to, they only give us just one benefit of working out, which is always the mental well-being. A lot of people don't really know what about it, mental well-being and mental health. But most people don't know about it. They don't think they're just waking up. Sometimes when you wake up in the morning and you feel dizzy, when you go on a workout, it gives you your mental shape, your mental health become enlightened. So I also like the fact that you talk about general well-being, and also that means it's generally it is medicinal for our body. Yeah. Alright, sir. So I want to say a big thank you for saying that to me. And what do you think what do you have for people out there that are not working and so you have to say?
Start where you are, use what you have. As long as you have the floor beneath you, you have all you need. The gym is just something extra, but the floor is what you need actually. Yeah.
Thank you very much, sir. We appreciate that. Thank you. My name is Ehinome. We have a YouTube channel called Work with Ehi. We'd love to see you. Check it out. Work with Ehi. That's just the name.
Let's go there. This is Benin City.
Broski, what do you think about the workout this morning?
We are back, this good. We are back again on the streets of Benin, doing what we know how to do best. Don't forget to subscribe with Work with Ehi. Yeah.
Right.
is Walk with Teddy, and we have this new platform where we talk about encourage people to work out. So talk about people to work out. Bro, what do you think is the benefit of working out?
There are many benefits of working out actually. Like for me, I'm actually working out for metabolism sake.
Okay.
And it also burns calories.
All right,
I think
beautiful.
so.
So, in essence, what he's talking about is when you work out, it helps you maintain your metabolism and it burns out fat, So if you know you are obese, if you know you are not feeling healthy, and if you wake up in the morning from your bed, you don't feel okay and happy, what you need to take on your shorts, work out, jog around. So with this YouTube, we talk about and encourage people how to work out and the benefits of it. One of the benefits is general wholeness of your body. When you grow up, you doesn't feel any form of arthritis or you can never experience it when you work out. So I want this video to tell you, if you are watching this YouTube, my brother have said it, when you work out, old age is not your for you, but you have to grow old. But you not grow old and fall sick. Never. So stay with me while we're looking. We'll go to another place in Benin City. Don't forget, this is Edo State, Nigeria, Benin City. Let's go there. We are still here. I'm currently with my people. What are we doing?
This is Walk with Teddy.
We are in what city?
This is Benin City.
All right, my people. Yeah, this morning we have celebrity MC here with me. Broski, what do you have for us?
Don't forget, my show is coming up December 27th. So please come get your tickets. We're coming up with T Classic, Omo Balance, Samba the Comic, MC Big Pickings, Golf Picking, and a lot more artists. So don't forget, go get your tickets.
Where is the show happening?
It's happening right in Irua, Edo State, the governor's town.
Tabi! This is Benin City! This is Edo State, Benin City. Say it again. You the hear? This is Benin City! You come Benin, you don't get viral. Who you be?
And also don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel and share. So we have more guidance for you. We say walk with him.
This is still what?
Walk with him.
This is still what?
Walk with him.
Yo, still like.
Don't forget to subscribe and share. Keep on watching our video, and don't forget to patronize us. The ISF Furniture, home of furniture by Andrew, all kind of furniture. Your birthday, your sofa. Mention it. We are here to give you the best, and don't forget to subscribe.
So we asked them, what do you think is the benefits of workout? So they gave us their insight. Like that last month, he said that he encouraged a lot of people, the elderly and the young ones, for them to keep working out. So he gives you a general word. Everybody keeps talking about general well-being. It also helps in shaping your mind. So I want to do this medium to encourage everyone. When you work out, it shapes your mind. It doesn't matter what you wake up with, any thought that was in your mind, whatever it is, put on your shorts. Just only Saturday morning is enough, and you can do a lot of things. Don't forget, this is Walk with here, and we are live in Benin City. See you. Love you.